beat out the Reggae Boyz for a place in the 2026 World Cup, Curaçao got clobbered by European giants Germany. And right away, some fans are saying, if Curaçao gets 7, Jamaica would have get 8 and 9 and 10 because Curaçao is better than Jamaica. But football don't work so. I think the Reggae Boyz have better quality players playing at a higher level of football than the Curaçao players we see playing in this World Cup. As we speak, Jamaica is ranked at number 71, 11 places higher than Curaçao. The fact that they are playing in the World Cup and Jamaica is not is just a function of the gross mismanagement and ineptitude from the Jamaican end. This Germany team could not give a properly organized and motivated Reggae Boyz team 7. No, sir, I cannot see it. The most I could see would be a 3-1 or a maximum 4-1 or even 4-2. But 7? No, sir.